Hi, I'm Frank Coleman, and I'm here in front of Eisenberg Sandwich in Chelsea. And let me tell you, for those folks who really miss the Cafe Edison, this could be a new home away from home. This is some of the best Jewish food in the city right here. And New York City is famous, of course, for its cuisine, especially its Jewish cuisine. It's fantastic. Even Goyim like me loves a place like this. This is exactly the kind of family-owned small business that needs to be preserved, that needs to not get run out of town by the 7-Elevens of the world, who happen to be right over there down the street. When you look inside, you see just a wealth of history. There's jazz on the stereo. There's photographs of celebrities on the wall. Greats and near greats and neighborhood people and people who are still around, and people like Philip Seymour Hoffman who sadly aren't. And you just walk in and it's like an immediate time capsule. You feel like you step back in time 40, 50 years. It's really got the flavor of New York, real New York, that is so precious. And is, like the old song says, you don't know what you got till it's gone. So it's passed the Small Business Act. Let's keep places like this going. There's a place for everything and everything in its place, and what we need is some balance between the big stores and big chains and small businesses like this. But the small businesses are the lifeblood of the city. So let's save NYC.